and action. Hello Visionary Beauties, welcome to my channel, and for those of you new to my channel, I want to say a huge welcome and thank you for stopping by. Now if you came here to check out this latest Mother's Day sleigh, then please continue to watch. Before we get started, I want to say a huge happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I hope you guys enjoy your day and just do whatever you want to do because it's your day. Now let's get into this video. So today's review is going to be a collaboration hair review with the company by the name of 305 Miami Beauty. So they reached out to me and they sent me out 3 bundles of 16, 18, and 20 with a 16-inch 13x4 frontal. So this is what it's looking like. Now I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this. Also I installed the hair on a dome cap, so it's custom to my head. As you can see, it bleached really well. Gorgeous parting space. Look at that. Now I didn't utilize any baby hairs right now. It bleached beautifully. Now the texture on this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Once I washed it after bleaching the knots, and I just washed the bundle just because I washed the frontal. Once it was washed, it came back as like a loose beachy type wave. So I did go ahead and throw some curls in it. Now I've been wearing this for a couple hours because I did walk it to work. So the curls have somewhat dropped. I did put a bunch of loose curls into her because I wanted that effortless look today. Let's go ahead and get a close-up of the hair and the texture and in the 360 in my pros and cons. So as you can see, this texture on this hair is absolutely gorgeous and it's super lustrous. I'm not getting any tangles or any shedding for that matter. Well, I got maybe one hair, not a lot. As far as tangling, none. As you can see, it just falls right back down. I love the weight on this hair. Super gorgeous. Let me give you a close-up of the texture. It says a 13x4 frontal. Let me give you a 360, so obviously the front. Down. 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 So I do have a coupon code for you and it's 305BW. I'll also leave that on the screen and down below in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. Now I want to say a huge thank you to 305 Miami Beauty for sending out this gorgeous hair. I really did love it. If you have any comments, please leave that down in the comment section and be sure to get back to you. Now as far as my pros and cons, I do love this hair. Like I said, minimum shedding, no tangling as of yet. It takes a curl really well. I did end up using about 2.5 bundles. It could have went fuller, but I didn't want it that full. That's my preference. You guys can style yours how you want. You can follow me on Annette Beauty on Instagram, Visionary Beauties on Facebook, which is my group, and I hope to see you guys over there. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and as always, stay fabulous and be your own Visionary Beauty. Till next time, bye.